Well, it's been a while, but I'm back. So let's take a look at how you can decide your niche so you can make content that will help you grow. So you want to make content that is both enjoyable to make and that your viewers will enjoy. I'm going to give you a few tips that will help you select a niche that will tick both of these boxes and help you grow. If you've watched any of those how to grow your YouTube channel videos, then you will have heard that you need to select a niche that is not oversaturated, but also has enough viewers that will watch your videos. Doing this can be quite difficult without tools, so I would recommend downloading vidIQ. It has a lot of different tools and uses, but today we are using it for the score function for the search terms on YouTube. There are other tools such as TubeBuddy, but I use vidIQ. So if you want to follow along, go down to the description and click the link to download it, and then you can use it for yourself and follow along. The basic rundown of this tool is that when you search in a term, it will score that term with 3 different attributes. Volume, which is the traffic of people searching that term. Competition, which is the amount of people making videos about that term, and overall score, which takes into account both the other scores that I spoke about and gives the term a rating out of 100. When selecting a niche, you should look for a few different video ideas and search them into YouTube and find out what their scores are. For example, if I wanted to make content about the game Outriders, I could search in something like Outriders XP Farm, which has a volume of 57 and a competition which is very low. You should always be looking for a competition that falls into the low or very low sections, and anything with a volume of 50 or more is a good topic. The overall score is a 74, which means it would be a pretty good topic to make a video about. Now this doesn't just apply to gaming videos. For example, if I searched in how to grow my YouTube channel, you can use the same tips, although I wouldn't recommend making a video just titled how to grow on YouTube, as the competition is littered with people with much more experience in growing social media accounts. If you want to make educational content about this niche, try picking a subtopic. An example of this would be this video. Instead of just saying how to grow on YouTube, this video is about picking a niche and how to grow from that, which is in turn a subtopic of YouTube channel growth. Think of something you enjoy, find some high scoring topics, and start making some good content. Next, I'll be talking about different niches that you could use to grow in different topics. But please consider liking the video if you have found it helpful so far, and subscribe for more educational content to help you grow. Turn the notifications on if you want to be alerted when I upload, so that you never miss a video. Anyway, back to the tips. So you know how to pick a good niche, but you don't quite know what to go with. I'm going to give you some ideas that are free to steal, borrow, to use in your own videos. First, we have gaming content. If you want to make gaming content, I wouldn't recommend that you make Let's Plays or anything of that sort, as those topics tend to be covered by much larger channels. What I'd recommend is that you make guides about games that you're passionate about. It doesn't matter if you don't know enough about the game. You can research information to further your knowledge and make great content. You could make a guide on how to install mods to a certain game, how to complete a hard level or challenge, or even how to find some rare items or things inside of the game. Speedrunning is also doing quite well at the moment, so if you're heavily invested in the game, you could learn how to speedrun it and make videos about it. Or you could even take it a step further and make videos and guides on how to speedrun the game and different strategies that you use. If you aren't into gaming, then you can make educational videos about literally anything. Are you good at sport? Make how-tos on skills that you've learned or different training tips. Good at cooking? Make videos on how to make healthy meals or nice meals on a budget, or whatever you cooking channels do. The sky is the limit for the content that you can make. Just make sure that you keep the search scores in mind when picking a category, as if the volume of people watching the videos isn't that high, then the ceiling of how high your content can grow will be very, very low. Obviously, the niche you pick isn't everything about growth on YouTube. A good thumbnail and title to draw clicks in draws a part in it. You also have to have engaging content that people would enjoy watching and watch all the way through. But picking a niche is a good place to start. Anyway, thank you for watching this whole video, especially if you're hearing me talk now and you've made it this far in the video. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the notification bells turned on. Also, go and check out my Discord server, the link's in the description. Here you can ask any questions you may have, get frequent updates on videos that I'm making, and you can even have an input on what content I'm putting out. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.